Okay, so, reading it, I understand when I first start reading the problem, it says, a certain number of two digits. So I'm going to write this down. And it goes on to say three times the sum of its digits. Well, let me write this down. There's digits over here. All right. Now, if someone says, what's the number? The number is actually 10x plus y. That would be the number. All right. So a certain number of two digits exceeds three times the sum, right? Exceeds three times the sum of the digit by 4. Well, let me write this down. That's the two-digit number, by the way, 10x plus y. And it says it exceeds three times the sum of the digit by 4. Well, what are the sum of its digits? I'm sorry, I forgot to put the 3 down first. I got to do that. 3 times the sum of its digits. I did it again. 3 times the sum of its digits. Get my eraser out. Get this doohickey done over there. You know what? I'm going to neaten that up a little bit. So 10x plus y read that again. A certain number of two digits exceeds three times the sum of its digits by 4. I think I did okay with that. If the digits are inverted, if the digits were inverted, what would the number be? That it would be 10y plus x. That's if they inverted it, right? If the digits be inverted, the sum of the resulting number and the given number. Well, this is the resulting number. What's the given number? 10x plus y. All right, let me read that again. If the digit inverted, the sum of the resulting number and the given number exceeds 3 times the given number by 2. Well, what's the given number? 3 times the given number. The given number, 10x plus y by 2. So it exceeds 3 times a given number by 2. So my understanding about this over here is that after reading it, before I do anything, I'm wondering, do I agree with what the key says? Again, they say this over here too. I know it's written down for me. And the number is 10x plus y. I got that part done. And did I get this part down? 10y plus x, 10y plus x, 10x plus y. Yeah, let's go to town. And for me to do the problem, I'll be honest with you, it doesn't look difficult. I don't think I need to go to the whiteboard to do that. But I'm gonna start to erase stuff, and I'm pretty comfortable that this was not a bad problem to write down. I also believe it's not going to be a difficult problem to solve. So I want to go through it with you, and I'm going to maybe just do the first equation. That's 10x plus y equals 3x plus 3y plus 4, and that would give me. I'll be careful about this too. It's 7x minus 2y is equal to 4. So let me write that equation down for you. That equation is really a simple equation. It turns out to be 7x minus 2y is equal to 4. And I want to claim to you, I'm no longer thinking about the words of the problem, but I probably should after I answer the question. But right now, I'm just thinking about doing some algebra. So let's do the second equation. What do you get there? 11y plus 11x. Make sure I said that right. Yep. And then what do you get over here? You're going to get 30x, 3y, and then you can get plus 2. And, I'm going to get into standard form, like x, y equals a number, and that's going to be minus 19x, and then plus 8y, and that would equal 2. Let me write that down for you. Minus 19x plus 8y is equal to 2. All right, I'm going to get my eraser out and erase this, including if there's an error there. I always go back and check it again if I have to. But I'm plowing forward, not even thinking about the problem anymore, but kind of just plowing forward. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to multiply the top equation by 4 to get an elimination. And let me write that down for you. That would be 28x minus 8y is equal to 16. Again, I multiply the top equation by 4. The bottom equation is minus 19x plus 8y is equal to 2. I'll put a little line there, add them together. This is 8. The y's disappear. And what do you get there? 8, 9. 9x. You know what? There must be an error somewhere. And I'll tell you why there must be an error. There is no way this could be a number, because a digit would not be a digit. All right, it'd be 8/9. I made a mistake somewhere, so I got to look at it. And someone says, why do you need to look at it? I made a mistake, clear as day. This can't be right. I'm not sure where I made the mistake. And I'm going to be looking carefully now. I'm going to find them. And this is a good lesson to come up with. I'm going to redo the first equation. 10x plus y equals 3x plus 3y plus 4. Well, that would give me 7x minus 2y is equal to 4. Did I get that? Yes. I'm pretty good with that. All right. Let's do the other equation. That's going to give me 11y. Whoops. And then it's going to give me 11x. I'm looking down, make sure I'm doing okay here. 11x, 11y, 30x. Let's see, 3y. And then plus 2. Let's see if I got that right. And 11 minus 30 is minus 19. Yeah, I did that good. And then 3 from 11, 8y, got that. And I got the 2. Gee, where did I go wrong? Let's erase this. And let's do it again. 4. Deja vu all over again, isn't it? 28x. 4 times 7 is 28. Minus 8y equals 16. Minus 19x plus 8y is equal to 2. Line 18. Y's disappear. And then what do you get there? 9x. Gee, I don't know where I made the error last time, but I made the error somewhere. Maybe I didn't multiply. Who knows? I can't remember. I erased my work. What's x? X is 2. All right? Now, someone says, how do you get the y? And I'm going to use this equation over here to get the y. And it looks pretty simple to do that, by the way. If x is 2, I get 14 minus 2y is equal to 4. I would subtract 14 from both sides. I would get 2y is equal to minus 10, or y would be equal to 5. And I'll write this over here. Now, someone says, is that their question, what x and y is? No, they said find the number. Well, what's the number? If you recall, the number is 10x, right, plus y. So it's going to be 10x, 10 times 2, plus the y, which is 5. So the number is 25. All right? And that's written over there. Thank you.